The Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer delivers sharp, saturated prints at 720 by 1440 dot per inch resolution on everything from cotton shirts to leather accessories, making it a strong choice for professional apparel work. Its integrated powder shaker, heater dryer, and rolling workstation turn a small corner of a shop into a full production line, so you can move from artwork to finished transfer with very little manual handling. The Epson XP600 printhead provides notably quick output compared with many entry-level direct-to-film and direct-to-garment setups, which helps small shops keep up with rush orders and growing demand. A dedicated circulation system for white ink and an automatic film cutter reduce mess and wasted material, while also cutting down on the tedious prep steps that usually slow down transfer printing. Smart maintenance features, including a holiday mode that keeps ink moving when the printer sits idle, are a real advantage for small businesses that do not print every single day but still need reliable restarts. Because it can print durable, flexible transfers onto dark fabrics, synthetics, and even tricky materials without pre-treating garments, this bundle suits startups that want maximum versatility from a single printer investment.